build quality, the construction and the materials put this in a completely different league from what's seen on the New Zealand market. A major differentiator on this model is the 400 GSM South African woven polycotton canvas. Even in a single layer, this canvas is twice as thick and durable as you'll find on other tents on the New Zealand market, but it's not a single layer. We have got twin layers of 400 GSM canvas each layer. So yeah, we're talking about 800 GSM worth of canvas in a dual layer configuration. Now, the quality of this canvas is such that even if we had bright sunlight coming at us on the side, it wouldn't penetrate even one layer. But now we literally have the inner layer fully in the shade of the outer layer. Also note that things like your stitching for your zippers and so on, it's all on the inside layer and it's covered by the outer layer. So that is a major upgrade relative to what you'll normally find in New Zealand. We've got a 75mm mattress that's really nice and comfortable. But what's actually really important is if we look underneath the mattress, we are way past the need for an anti-condensation mat with this model. It is not just carpet, but if I press down with my thumb, you can see the indentation. We've got really thick layers of foam beneath the carpet here. We've got a whole inch of foam in this top shell. So again, just like the base of the tent, we believe this is the best insulated top shell on the New Zealand market. Look at the amount of lift that we have in the front end of the tent because it's on a rotating extrusion. If I lie down here, notice that I can get my feet an awful lot further down the tent before I'm really hitting the roof panel. And at 6 foot tall, look where my head comes to. I have got all of this space left. So a lot of guys who are over 6 foot tall, who thought that a clamshell was out for them, this model is for you. Now this is a permanently wired light. There's an Anderson connector on the base of the tent that powers this. It does dual colors, white and amber. Now down here we've got USB charging points as well as a 12-volt connector. This tent uses the same premium aluminized technical fabric for a fly as you find on the quick pitch awnings. And what's amazing about this material is it just reflects the heat right off. The way that these shells are constructed is something really special. It's not just your typical extruded tent that's pushed together with plastic corners and a bit of glue. This is a fully commercial grade tent that's all welded up, all metal through the corners. Because of the really strong welded construction, we can put super heavy duty commercial grade awnings straight onto the body of the tent. I wouldn't want to really put an awning this strong onto a tent that had the plastic corner sections. This one's going on 3 years. It's always out in the elements, and you can see that that powder coat still looks actually as good as on the brand new one.
This is what stepping up to a serious, globally proven South African roof tent looks like. You're getting dual-layered 400 GSM canvas, some of the most seriously insulated shells on the market, a proper 75mm mattress and a more spacious interior, all built with fully welded commercial-grade construction, not generic plastic-cornered shells. When you weigh up what you're actually getting, it's not a big step up in price. For a tent built to outlast and outperform by a wide margin, this is outstanding value.